Hello all, welcome to our channel, The Chat Club. This video is gonna be an unboxing video. Recently I have purchased an office chair. So I'm gonna unbox it now and I'm gonna express my views about the chair. Usually in our channel we'll be publishing videos about gardening and about our native dog breed, Rajapalayam. This is the first unboxing video in our channel. This is my office space. It's a 10 by 10 room and these are my indoor plants that I have inside my office room. We have already published my office room tour. In that I have very meticulously explained about the plants that I have inside my office. Now I have added a few more indoor plants. One of the best aspect of my room is that, and also one of the best thing what I love in my room is that it is completely east facing. So most of the time my room will get bright indirect sunlight. That too from morning 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. there will be direct sun rays inside my room. I have got a couple of live water fountains inside my room. I hope you could hear the water flowing sound. A naturally bright room with mild live water flowing sound increases your productivity, and try setting up a live fountain inside your workspace. And a small tip for maintaining the water fountain: use only RO water, don't use salt water. Now let's unbox the newly purchased office chair. I have purchased this chair in Amazon and the brand name is Green Soul. For quite long time I've been searching for a good office chair. I've read the reviews on Amazon and found it to be useful, so I've went for this brand. This product is a design and made in India product. I'm pretty much happy with this product. Actually, I'm pretty satisfied that this product is a made in India product. Usually, most of the chairs that is being sold in online or imported from China, I'm not okay with that. This is it has been mentioned like design and made in India. The brand name is Green Soul. Let me open the box and let's see how good it is. It is like more of kind of DIY chair. We have to assemble certain parts in this chair. Purchased with an headrest actually. The quality of plastic looks pretty good. It has got some backrest as well, a lumbar support. The seat portion, this is the seat portion. Most of the chairs, this would be made of fiber. I'm pretty good that this is made of a metal. Looks sturdy actually. Items that are included in the box are a base stand, then a hydraulic gas kit, then for fitting the chair they have provided an Allen key, headrest, the seat portion, and the back portion. So I have fixed the seat on the wheelbase. Before that I have fixed the gas kit as well. The wheels look pretty good and it is of good quality. So now we have to fix it, this back portion of the chair to the seat. The cushion in the seat portion is of good quality and I'm happy with this one. So there are 3 screws in it. So we have to remove this screws and we have to fix it here in the seat portion. It's actually a pretty simple one. I have fixed the back portion. Actually very pretty simple steps only. Now we have to fix the headrest in this portion. So they have provided 2 screws. So we have to remove it and we have to fix it. I'm inserting the Allen screws inside this. Fixed the head portion. So this is how it looks. So it has got like a button there. If you press it, you can move it up, down, and you can move the headrest front and back. So like you can move the headrest up and down and you can move the headrest front and back. So this is how the complete chair looks like. Regarding the fixing the chair, just these 2 screws you have to fix it, and here there are 3 screws. Very pretty simple assembling. This is how the complete one looks like. Now let's see the features of this chair. It has got an adjustable armrest. You can move it and down. Apart from moving it up and down, it can be also moved front and back like this. It looks pretty comfortable. Regarding seat adjustment, what you have to do is to raise the seat, vacate the seat first, then you have to pull up the lever here like this, and if you want to lower it again, you have to sit and you have to pull up it again like this. Feature that we're gonna see is backrest locking. If you want to tilt the backrest, you have to pull the control handle, then you can tilt it. If you want to place this in the same position, you have to lock it here. It will remain the same position. If you want to bring it back, again you have to pull the control handle. Now it will be back to normal position. The feature is this chair has got a lumbar support. To move it forward and backward, you have to rotate this knob so that it can be moved forward and reverse. Next feature is backrest tension control. So it has got a knob here. If you want to rock your chair backward, you have to turn that knob clockwise to make it easier to rock your chair backward. You have to turn the tilt knob anti-clockwise to make it harder to rock your chair backward. We have seen all the features of this chair, so I'm pretty much happy with the choice that I've made. So before purchasing this chair, I was a little bit hesitated to purchase a product, especially a chair, a revolving chair from online, but I'm happy with the purchase. I'm mentioning the link of this product in the description. If you have any idea of purchasing a product, you can purchase from the brand Green Soul. Thanks for watching.